In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bleed in Canva. If you're planning to print a flyer, postcard, or any design with color or images that run right to the edge, you need bleed. Bleed is a small buffer added around your artwork so a printer can trim cleanly without leaving thin white edges. We'll set it up in Canva and make sure your file is exported correctly, all from a desktop browser. Start by opening your project in Canva on a desktop. At the top, click File, hover over View Settings, and choose Show Print Bleed. The instant you turn this on, a faint dashed border appears inside your page. That dashed line marks the trim area. Anything between that dashed line and the outer edge is the bleed zone, which is meant to be cut off during trimming. Next, adjust your layout to respect those boundaries. Stretch backgrounds, colors, and edge-to-edge photos so they extend past the dashed line all the way to the outer edge of the canvas. This slight overhang is what prevents accidental white slivers after trimming. At the same time, keep all text, logos, and important graphics inside the dashed line. Think of that dashed box as your safe zone. Anything vital should sit comfortably within it so it won't be nicked by the blade. If you're using frames or images, drag their handles outward until they cover the entire canvas beyond the dashed border. For solid color backgrounds, extend the color to the edge as well. The goal is consistent coverage past the trim line while protecting your important content. When your layout looks good, you're ready to export for print. Click the Share button in the top right, then choose Download. For the file type, select PDF Print, which preserves high quality for professional printing. Before you download, check the option for crop marks and bleed. Crop marks add small guidelines at the corner so a print shop knows exactly where to trim, and the bleed option ensures that extended artwork beyond the dashed line is included in the file. Now click Download to save your print-ready PDF. Thanks for watching.